Your perfect solution to USC housing, only 1 mile away from the campus, 5 minutes away from USC Village. Welcome to 116 West 41st Street. I decided to make this quick video to give you guys an opportunity to see the property before you came in person. Kitchen is shared and it also has its laundry on site. I purposely did this video at night for you guys to see the parking situation. There is plenty of parking outside without a problem. This is approximately around 7 p.m. on a Thursday night. If you go around the street, there's even more parking, and our facility is gated and with cameras 24/7. You'll feel safe and right at home. Please feel free to reach out after you've watched this quick video if you have any more questions. All our rents include all Wi-Fi and utility expenses. This is an extremely safe neighborhood, and I am walking towards the additional parking on the side street. If you don't happen to park your car in one of the 4 parking spots that is readily available in the street parking right now.